In today's video, we're diving into some incredible saving money hacks that can transform your financial habits. We'll explore practical tips and tricks that anyone can implement, whether you're a student, a working professional, or just looking to stretch your budget further. Saving money is crucial for achieving your financial goals, and these hacks will not only help you cut costs, but also empower you to make smarter spending choices. So stick around as we uncover simple yet effective ways to boost your savings and secure your financial future. Hack 1. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to boost your savings is by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Automation takes the decision-making out of the equation, reducing the temptation to spend that money instead. Apps like Capital or Digit make it incredibly easy to set up these transfers, allowing you to save without even thinking about it. Start small, perhaps just a few dollars a week, and watch how quickly it adds up. By building this habit, you'll create a solid foundation for your savings without feeling the pinch in your daily budget. Hack 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective budgeting method that can help you save more efficiently. This rule divides your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, like rent and groceries, 30% for wants such as dining out and entertainment, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, allocate $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings. By categorizing your expenses this way, you can easily adjust your budget to prioritize saving, ensuring a healthier financial future. Hack 3. Create a savings challenge. Participating in a savings challenge can make saving money fun and engaging. One popular option is the 52-week savings challenge, where you save an increasing amount each week, starting with just $1. Gamifying your savings not only boosts motivation, but also turns saving into a rewarding experience. Many people have successfully completed this challenge, sharing stories of how they saved over $1,300 in just 1 year. By joining a savings challenge, you'll not only build your savings, but also enjoy the journey, making it easier to reach your financial goals. Hack 4. Visualize your goals. Visualizing your savings goals is a powerful way to stay motivated and committed. Creating a vision board can help you clearly see what you're working towards, whether it's a dream vacation, a new car, or a home down payment. You can use apps like Trello or Pinterest to organize your goals visually, making it easy to track your progress. When you regularly see your aspirations, it reinforces your commitment to saving. This simple practice can transform your mindset, turning your financial dreams into tangible targets that inspire you to save consistently. Hack 5. Use cash instead of cards. Using cash for spending can have significant psychological benefits that help you manage your finances better. When you use physical cash, it makes spending feel more tangible and real, which can lead to more mindful purchasing decisions. Consider setting a cash budget for your discretionary spending each week, allowing you to enjoy your purchases without overspending. By withdrawing a set amount of cash weekly, you can control your spending and avoid the temptation of credit cards. This simple shift can help you stay within your budget and enhance your overall financial awareness. Hack 6. Set up a separate savings account. Having a dedicated savings account is a smart strategy for managing your finances. By keeping your savings separate from your everyday spending account, you reduce the temptation to dip into those funds for impulse purchases. Consider opening a high-yield savings account to earn better interest on your savings, helping your money grow faster. To ensure consistency, set up automatic transfers to this account each month. This way, saving becomes effortless, and you'll be on your way to reaching your financial goals without even thinking about it. Hack 7. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is crucial for saving more effectively. By keeping a close eye on your expenses, you can identify patterns and areas where you might be overspending. Apps like Mint or YNAB, or You Need a Budget, make it easy to categorize and monitor your transactions. I encourage you to review your spending habits regularly, as this awareness can lead to better financial decisions. When you know where your money is going, you can make adjustments that align with your savings goals, ultimately helping you build a healthier financial future. Hack 8. Limit impulse purchases. Curbing impulse purchases is essential for effective saving. One effective strategy is to implement a 24-hour rule. Before buying something non-essential, wait a day to see if you still want it. This simple pause can help you avoid regrettable purchases. Additionally, creating a shopping list before heading out can keep you focused and reduce the temptation to buy items you don't need. By waiting and evaluating your desire for an item, you'll not only save money, but also make more intentional choices that align with your financial goals. Hack 9. Use discounts and coupons. Taking advantage of discounts and coupons can significantly boost your savings. Apps like Honey or Rakuten are fantastic tools for finding deals and cashback offers while you shop online. Planning your purchases around sales events can also help you save money on items you need. Additionally, consider signing up for newsletters from your favorite retailers. They often provide exclusive offers and discounts to subscribers. By being proactive and utilizing these resources, you can stretch your budget further and enjoy the satisfaction of getting more for less. Hack 10. Change your mindset. A positive money mindset is crucial for achieving your financial goals. Instead of focusing on scarcity, try to adopt an abundance mentality, believing that there are plenty of opportunities to grow your wealth. Consider using affirmations or journaling about your financial aspirations to reinforce this mindset. By regularly reflecting on your goals and celebrating small wins, you can shift your perspective and cultivate healthier financial habits. This mindset change can empower you to make better decisions, embrace saving, and ultimately lead to greater financial success and fulfillment in your life. Hack 11. Reward yourself for saving. Rewarding yourself for reaching savings milestones is essential for maintaining motivation on your financial journey. Consider setting small rewards for each goal you achieve, whether it's treating yourself to a nice meal or enjoying a fun outing. These rewards can serve as positive reinforcement, encouraging you to continue saving and stay committed to your financial objectives. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, helps create a sense of accomplishment and makes the saving process more enjoyable. Remember, every step forward is worth celebrating, so don't hesitate to acknowledge your progress. So in this video, we explored 11 powerful hacks to help you save money effectively. From automating your savings and using the 50-30-20 rule to tracking your spending and rewarding yourself for milestones, each tip offers unique benefits for enhancing your financial health. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action on these strategies and making them a part of your routine. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who could benefit. Together, we can all work towards a brighter financial future.